In this tutorial, we'll walk through the complete process of installing Fedora 42 Workstation from start to finish. The first step is to download the official Fedora 42 ISO image from the Fedora website. Once downloaded, you'll need to create a bootable USB using a tool like Rufus. After making the USB bootable, restart your PC and boot from the USB drive. You'll soon see the Fedora 42 installer boot screen. From here, choose to start Fedora Workstation in live mode. Give it a few seconds. The system will load into the Fedora 42 live desktop environment. Welcome to the Fedora 42 live desktop. You'll immediately notice the brand new installer interface, which has been completely redesigned to offer a more intuitive experience. Begin by selecting your language and keyboard layout. This step is simple and region-specific, so choose whatever suits you best. Next, it's time to select the installation destination disk. In this tutorial, we're going for a fresh installation using the entire disk. That means no partitions to manage manually. Fedora will handle it all automatically. If you're concerned about data, don't worry. We're using a clean disk with no data to preserve. At this stage, you also have the option to encrypt your data. While this step is not mandatory, you may choose to do so for added security. Once everything is set, click Erase All to begin the installation process. Fedora will now create the required partitions and install the system. This might take a few minutes, so sit back and be patient. Once the installation completes successfully, simply close the installer and reboot your PC. Upon reboot, you'll be welcomed by Fedora 42, fresh and ready to go. Follow the initial configuration steps as shown on the screen to set up your new system precisely. And that's it. Fedora 42 Workstation is now fully installed and running smoothly on your machine. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more tech guides like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.